Okay, I took somebody's advice, and because it's a glass top, you can see all the stuff that's underneath it. So I decided to put a green mat on top of it. So now you can see the circuit a little bit better instead of it being a big mess, I guess. So what I did is I wound the third coil on the other two coils, and I just wanted to see how it acted. And well, what I've noticed is that I have the voltmeter hooked to the output of the third coil. I'm getting 2.89 out of it. Say 2.6 volts DC is roughly what I'm getting out of it. Now mind you, that that could be a lot of ripple, to be honest with you. I should probably have a capacitor hooked into that to rectify. Well, that's the rectification, but I have nothing to as a, what do you call, a filter cap to take out the DC. No, it's not showing any AC. Huh. Yeah, because that's just DC with the diodes in there. Okay, anyhow, I should have some type of capacitor in there to filter that. But anyhow, this is not what this video is about. Right now it's drawing what, 80 milliamps, somewhere around there. Now it's because I have the load, I have the light on, and that I kind of like that because it does lower the voltage. I wonder if I can look at the voltage here. I wonder if it'll show me the voltage here where I don't have the capacitors hooked up. Okay, it's showing 27, say 27 volts. So right now it's showing 27 volts out of the output of this circuit right now, which is pretty good. And of course, if I want to use the resistor, I can raise the amperage, which of course raises the amperage, which of course raises the voltage on the output of this part of it. Now, I gotta keep on remembering how to hook this foolish thing up. I can't remember if that was positive or negative. What is that? Yeah, okay, that is negative off of there. Now, I think it would be pretty hard to charge a battery off of that third coil right now, but if I take the load off that. Oh, you can't even see the needle. The needle, yeah, it puts it up to 350 milliamps. And then now it's 18 volts, 18 and a half volts. Now, I suppose I could probably hook the light up to this right now. Should be able to. Look at that, the voltage goes down right away. I haven't even hooked the other end of it up yet. Oh yeah. So yeah, I can run the load off, and it lowered it a little bit, but it also raised the amp. Get too many wires in the way. Raise the amperage too to 400 and say 20 amps by putting the load on here. Now something tells me, oh, actually when I'm giving it, strange, when I'm giving it more amperage, lowering the resistance, it actually increased the amperage. Lowering the resistance increased the amperage, but it lowered the voltage, which is kind of strange. If I increase, well, there, look, I increased the resistance. The voltage actually went up and the amperage went down on the system. Now the system right now is not, that doesn't matter, that was just one part of the capacitor bank. But yeah, adding more resistance to the circuit lowers the amperage draw but raises the voltage on the third coil. Well, that's kind of strange. Okay. This video is getting a little too long as it is. I just want to do a video on the third coil. So I did. Now, I don't have this on the heat sink, and it's actually starting to get a little warm. Probably should have it on the heat sink, but I don't run it nearly as hot as or hard as other people run their systems. Just a second here. This is positive. Put this on here. I'm just gonna hook up the capacitor bank for a second here. Okay, yeah. Well, it's slowly raising and it's lowering. But yeah, it brought the amperage draw way down to like 25, so the voltage is too low. If I take that off, the voltage is right back up. So there would definitely be some limit to the amount of load you can put on the system here, and I might hook another 50 kilo ohm variable resistor in series to adjust it some. I guess I have a 100 kilo ohm right here. I can just put that in, but I'd almost like to adjust it between two pots. Okay, long enough. Everybody have a great night. Getting late here. Cheers.